Hi everybody, my name Lila, and I want to tell you something magical what happened to me right here in Jamaica. Every day after school, me love go sit down under the big mango tree near me yard. It's my favorite spot for dream up stories. But one evening, something different happened. The breeze start blow soft, and when me look up, the tree was glowing. My heart start beat fast. Me whisper, "Hey, what go on here?" Then suddenly, zoom! One little hummingbird fly past me ear and talk. Yes, talk. Him say, "Lila, the tree choose you for protect its magic." Before me could even answer, the tree bark shimmer and open like one door. Inside was pure wonder. Fireflies dancing, rivers laughing, animals chatting like people. Me ask, "But why me?" The hummingbird smile and say, "Because your stories make people feel happy. That is real magic." From that day, me promise to guard the tree and keep telling stories that spread joy. And now, every time me tell a story, me feel like the breeze carrying it across the whole island. So remember this, your imagination is stronger than you think. All right, next time, me telling you one next adventure.